In an industry where comfort and convenience are essential for success, Uponor is dedicated to helping hotel and hospitality building owners, developers, engineers, and contractors create safer, more energy-efficient, cost-effective, and comfortable buildings so guests will enjoy their stay. Uponor believes that comfort and reliability are vital to performance and longevity. Throughout the life of the building, our products and services provide superior solutions in your mechanical and plumbing systems. Our durable, long-lasting polymer piping solutions resist corrosion and scale buildup, provide dependable water pressure over time, and minimize future maintenance concerns. Every building is unique, and the needs of owners and developers are just as varied as the guests they serve. That's why Uponor has a wide range of products, services, and solutions to help get the most out of your plumbing systems. Solutions like kitting services. We also provide expansive fitting offerings for in-unit piping as well as risers and mains. Get the right product to the right location for a faster installation and a more productive job site. Whether it's a 2-story motel or a 60-story luxury high-rise, Uponor's warranty provides all stakeholders with the peace of mind professionals have come to expect from Uponor. Let's take hospitality and comfort to the next level. Are you ready?